students. Today's topic is transportation in plants, and we have already discussed that is ascent of sap, transportation of water and mineral with the help of cycle. Next part of the transportation is translocation of solute. Translocation of solute means transportation of food with the help of fluid. So translocation of solute take place, or transportation of food take place with the help of fluid. Now the first question is, where is this food is formed in the plant? Everyone know the answer. That are the green leaves. Green leaves, they prepare the food with the help of the process known as photosynthesis. What is the product of photosynthesis? क्या बनता है photosynthesis में? कौन सा food बनता है? Then everyone know that it is glucose. Then the question is there, if glucose is transported by the phloem, then answer is big no. No. First, this glucose is converted into a next compound, next material, that is called sucrose. Okay, so the first step, you should know about the process of translocation of solute. That food that is prepared in the leaves, that first is converted into the sucrose, and now the process will start, that is the translocation of solute. This solute, that is sucrose. This is done with the help of energy. Again, energy, it uses ATP molecules for this translocation. What happened? This sucrose that is formed in these leaf cells is transferred by use of energy into the leaf phloem. Okay, what is it transporting? It is transporting the sucrose in the leaf phloem. Clear? Now, when the sucrose enter into the leaf phloem, it creates a concentrated solution, a hypertonic solution. What will be occur? All are the cells having the semi-permeable membrane. If this phloem has hypertonic solution inside the phloem, then the water will move from the adjacent cell by the process of osmosis, because other adjacent cells, they have more amount of water than this phloem. Okay, so the osmosis will take place from the adjacent cell. What it create? It will create a pressure. What pressure? First the solute come inside the phloem, then the water from the adjacent cell, and it make a bulk. Okay, this create a pressure, and it will move the material to the direction where it is needed. Where it is needed? It is needed by all the living cells of the plant. It is required by the cells of the roots for the respiration, to get the energy for other activities. It will also move upward to the growing part, where they are also need food for the respiration to get the energy. So here the food is prepared in the leaves. This is called source. What is the source? We can say leaves. And they use the energy to transfer the sucrose, then the water will move from the adjacent cell, create a pressure, and this bulk material will move from high pressure to lower pressure wherever it is required. Where the food is required, every cell, each and every cell of the living organism need the food to get the energy. So it will move upward, it will move downward, it will move towards the all cells. So wherever the food is required, that is called sink. If source is leaf, okay, then what will be the sink? Sink के एग्जाम्पल क्या होंगे? हमने बात किया cells of the plant. कौन सी cells? Root cells, shoot cells. All the cells required food to get the energy. Plus, you know that we are getting the food from the plant. We are getting the pulses, we are getting the fruits, we are getting the vegetables. So they store this food into different products. So all storage organs. all storage organs. कौन से आए स्टोरेज ऑर्गन्स में? लाइक फ्रूट्स, pulses, some roots like radish, carrot, some stems, underground stems like potato. So all these are the storage organs where this food is required for the future storage. Clear? So in the phloem, the movement translocation of solute is bidirectional. We will use the term, it is a bidirectional process. It is bidirectional. The food, the solute moves upward as well as downward from the phloem, from source, that is the leaves, to the sink wherever the food is required. While in case of ascent of sap, it is only unidirectional process. Unidirectional, and that is only upward. Clear? So this is all about the translocation of solute that takes place with the help of phloem, and the transporting solute is the sucrose. It moves from the source, that are the leaves, towards the sink. Sink, all the living cells of the plant which need food to get the energy, or all the storage organs like underground roots, radish, carrot, underground stems like potato, fruits and vegetables. So this is the movement of food or translocation of solute with the help of phloem. Now one more point. One more thing moves with the solute through the phloem. What is that material? Like in ascent of sap, we talk about the movement of water, but it also moves the mineral. Here is what is the second material? The answer is hormones. The chemical substance that is prepared in the cells of leaves or at the shoot and root apices, they also move through the phloem with the food. Okay. One more thing in the concept of this translocation of solute, that in this process, what is the main part where this movement of sucrose molecule is going on? What is the main component of that phloem? Then the answer is seed tubes, and that do not have the nucleus, and all that controlled by its companion cells. Clear? Now, I have explained complete translocation of solute, that it is bidirectional, it is moving to the food to all required places, shoot apices, root apices, growing region, storage region. Now, last questions from this topic. What will be the movement of material during spring season? What will be the direction of translocation of solute during spring season? Can you getting the answer? I give you a moment. Think about it. During the normal time, it is bidirectional. Growing tip need the food. Root cells need the food. Storage organ, they convert into the different material. They need the food. I am talking about particularly during spring season. Are you able to get the answer? Check your answer. What happened during spring season? You can observe there is a development, growth of birds. Okay, there is flowering, budding in the plant. So the food from the storage organ like underground roots, stems, okay, they have the extra storage food material. This food material moves from the storage organ towards the birds, towards the tips where there is a growth. Okay, birds, simple birds, it can divide, it can make the branch, it can make a leaf, or it can flourish into a flower. So this is all about the translocation of solute, that is the movement of food through phloem. Thank you.